Did you know that dermal fillers are the most non-invasive way to reduce or slow down the process of aging, unlike plastic surgery, which has a lot of risks as well? Hi, I'm Dr. Nithu, and I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about dermal fillers. What are dermal fillers? Dermal fillers are basically products which are soft gel type material used to sculpt the facial features with long lasting and immediate effects. This will help to reduce the appearance of aging. And the procedure basically involves injecting the face at various areas with this soft gel type product very close to the facial bones in order to build up the volume. This results in an effect which is similar to our youth, and this usually happens naturally. We tend to lose this volume as we age. Now, what are the common things or indications for which fillers are used for? They're used for plumping lips, reducing the smoker lines, and they're used to define the lips, increasing the volume of cheek area, and will also help in improving the jawline contour. And it is a safe procedure with very minimal side effects. The fillers will cost anywhere between 15,000 to 35,000 rupees, and the effect will last for 2 years. But however, we do recommend touch-ups every 3 to 6 months for very good results. The number of fillers are used in the market currently. The ones which are available are hyaluronic acid fillers, calcium hydroxyl apatite fillers, poly-L-lactic acid fillers, and polymethyl methacrylate fillers. Common misconception is that dermal fillers cannot treat dark circles, which is caused due to hyperpigmentation. However, they can help with the sunken appear of the eyes. So that's it. The knowledge about fillers has widely expanded. And if you have any other doubts, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section and I'll definitely address them. Bye!